Today at Five Nights at Freddy's. It looks like no one's here. But today we're gonna work. It's me, Mario. We're gonna do this. Hi. What was that? I don't see anything. Ha 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 ha. Oh, come on. Blue boy, don't. I'm not gonna jump scare you. Someone else will. Who? Five Nights at Freddy's. Many kids wait. Here's something baby that did not. Wait, who did this? Who did this? This is 1 star. Sorry, Circus Baby. Whoever did this did a terrible job. Dude, this place is crazy. There's a clown. Mario. It's a job just watching overnight. Yeah, it's easy. Plus, dude, I got jump scared by Nightmare Foxy and Balloon Boy. Who's Balloon Boy? I'll show you when we come inside. Fine. Look, that kid. That's just a little boy. Notice an animatronic. He's looking at a face. Not creepy, Mario. Quit that. Look, and here's the guy. Okay, these guys are definitely creepy. And look, looks like you need a friend. Hi. See, he's alive. Mario. Yoshi, where you going? This place is amazing. Okay, so what's the plan? Yoshi, you're gonna regret this. Let's get out of here. I told you. You're right. Everything that sounds actually true. I need a doc. Oh, night 2 of this place. Cause hopefully, now we'll check the vents. Hey, hi. Hey, Bonnie. That's Toy Bonnie, Toy Chica. Sorry. Jeez. Okay, let's go prank Mario. He doesn't know we are here. Ow. Sorry, I'm gonna check the cameras. What the heck? What are the toy animatronics? Where's Toy? What if he's... Hi. Oh no. Freddy mask. Oh wait. That's just Freddy. Or is he? Oh wait, no. Oh. Yes. Jump scare. Hi. Balloon Boy, you better not be. Oh. Don't be moving. Wait, you're not supposed to be in the hallway. You're supposed to only be in the vent. Oh. Oh, Freddy. Yeah, you're supposed to. Hi, Oh, come on, Plush Trap. Seriously? Get it out of here. Oh, Nightmare Freddy. Hi. Let's go check the camera and. That's how you. What the? Sorry. That's how you go for a jump scare. Mario sings and find out different. That's it. I quit this job. That's good. Boy, manners. Have fun time. Oh, let's celebrate. Celebration time. I'm gonna chill here in this office. Oh yes. How come we are similar? Okay, I'm not a mango. I'm a Funtime Foxy. You are look Ah! Cut. This party is amazing. Okay, Nightmare Foxy. I'm sorry, mango. Just because there's some doesn't mean I'm a mango. Okay, let's just forget about it. Plus, I have a hook hand. You have both hands. So yeah, a factory. Oh, roasted like a marshmallow or a fireball. Oh yeah, you are the winners. Oh, hi Springtrap. Hey Plush Trap. Hey Mango, can I go? I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Okay. Hey Balloon Boy. Hi. Can I tell you something, Springtrap Foxy? Yeah. I like trains. Boy, that's not gonna eat. Ow. Wow, I never believe this is to be the best in. There we go. Hey, hi Mango. I went to bathroom and Blue Boy did the trains thing somehow. How did he do the trains? He's like a master. That's something that's a master. A master that's something. But duh. So it's been a while, right? Yeah. We should celebrate. Yeah. So basically the night guard has been destroyed. Yep. And I like this painting with Fredbear and Gold Freddy. But I haven't seen Fredbear in ages. I know we should find them. Tell you man, I miss these Fredbears. Wait, that's Fredbear. No, that's Freddy. Nightmare Freddy. I got confusions. That's okay. Hi, Cupcake. Nightmare Cupcake. Oh man, this is the best party ever. I am the Cupcake. Oh, hi, Nightmare Cupcake. Should I let you go? Yeah? Maybe. But hey, if I wanted to. Nice. Have you seen Balloon Boy? Balloon Boy! Hi, Balloon Boy. I like trains. No, wait. Savage, boy. Yeah, Balloon Boy is kind of annoying. He keeps saying, I like trains, and the freaking train comes. It freaking hurts me. Do some face. Look at how angry. Let's get a closer look. Closer. Closer. Well, I'm gonna go. This is getting awkward. Oh, hi. Hi, Marionette. Hi. Do you got. Hey. Hi, Cupcake. Hey, Nightmare Cupcake. Is my dog actually on a mango sim? As a mango? No, it's not. See? See? Did you see that? Boy. Yeah, actually, it's true. Why? Well, I'm always have to be unlucky. Duh, because. I don't know, you chose Fredo! Yeah, Cupcake? Let's go prank Mario. Wait, where's Mario? While playing, Mario sneaks behind the back. Perfect. I want to see what he's doing. And what the? Yeah, so basically, yeah. Mario, how dare he? Revenge fantasies. Jump scaring me and making me rage quit. Ah! I wish I never came here. Wow, thanks. I'm gonna go back on stage with Freddy. Hey. Guys. What, Balloon Boy? Do you want to can I tell you something? What? I like trains. It's not gonna happen. Oh, wait, what? Are you the I like trains kid? I think so. Hacker. Oh yeah. He likes to do that to Foxy. Actually, yeah, it's the best thing. By the way, you know who did this? Yeah, but certain pages are gonna come out. I feel bad because whoever did this did a terrible job of building circuses. Well, we think of whoever did this thinks. Yeah. Weird because. Alright, guys, let's do a jump scare. Wait. Oopsie, I'll be right, Freddy. Right into my head. Answers, right? Want to know what's weird from our place and yours? Nightmare World, we don't have cameras. Till today. Yeah, it's awkward. Balloon Boy is that I like train. Oh, the Balloon Boy is I like trains kid. The Balloon Boy is the I like trains kid. I knew that he keeps doing it. I like trains. And burn out. You okay, Mangle? I can be better. How did it not? Yeah, I heard me a little. Guys. Nightmare Cupcake, thanks so much for watching our Friday Nights at Freddy's skit video. If you do enjoy this new pizzeria we're building, hit that like and subscribe. The Tiny Thief tried to pay Circus Baby, but it didn't go so well. If you do enjoy, hit that like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Fredo, Cupcake, I'll be right there, Fredo. See ya.